Good morning, my lovely children. Ready for a new session? Yesterday, what did we learn? Yes, we learned to read the time. Now here I have a clock. Tell me, what time is it? It is 7 o'clock. As the short hour hand is on 7 and the long minute hand is on 12. Now tell me, what time is it? It is 9 o'clock. As the short hour hand is on 9 and the long minute hand is on 12. Now children, let us do an exercise in the class workbook to help you to understand to read time. Children, please open your class workbook to page number 99. 99. Let us begin with the date. 1/6/16-2-21. Color the clock. Here, children, you have to color the clock as per the time given. Look at the time which is on the top. It is 4 o'clock. There are 3 clocks given below. All the 3 clocks are showing 3 different timings. The one that shows 4 o'clock you got to color. Now, let us look at the first clock. What is the time in the first clock? It shows 11 o'clock. So it doesn't match with the 4 o'clock on the top. Go to the next clock. What does it show? It shows 2 o'clock. 2 doesn't match with 4 o'clock. Go to the third clock. Oh yes, it's showing 4 o'clock. And it matches with 4 o'clock. So we have to color this clock. So we have finished the first one. Now let us go to the next time given. Look at the time which is on top. It is 12 o'clock. What is the time in the first clock? It shows 3 o'clock. It doesn't match with 12 o'clock. The next clock shows 12 o'clock. Yes, it matches with 12 o'clock. This clock shows 1 o'clock. It doesn't match. So we will color this clock as it matches with 12 o'clock. Look at the time. Children, it shows 7 o'clock. What is the time in the first clock? It shows 5 o'clock and it doesn't match. The second clock shows 7 o'clock and it matches with 7 o'clock. This clock shows 9 o'clock and it does not match. So we will color this clock as it matches with 7 o'clock. Children, you have to do a similar exercise in your homework book on page number 59. 59. Children, as you have already learned subtraction, let us continue with subtraction. Subtraction is taking away a smaller number from a bigger number. For example, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 fingers minus 2 fingers. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Now, let us do an exercise related to subtraction sums in your classwork book to help you to understand subtraction better. Children, please open your classwork book to page number 112. We will write today's date. 1/6/16-2-21. Draw and subtract. 6 minus 6. Children, remember, when you cut or minus the same number as the original number, your answer will always be 0. Here, 6 is the original number and you are minusing 6 from the original number, which is the same. So the answer is 0. Now, we are done with subtracting same numbers. Now we move on to different numbers. Now here we have 7 minus 2. Now watch what I do. Since we have 7, I am going to draw 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2. So we have to take away 2 balls. So I am cutting 2 balls. Now let us count the number of balls which are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are left, which means 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So our answer is 5. Now here we have 3 minus 1. I am going to draw 3 suns. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1. So we have to take away 1 sun. So I am cutting 1 sun. Now let us count the number of suns which are left. 1, 2. So 2 are left, which means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So our answer is 2. Now we have 9 minus 5. I am going to draw 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 5. So we have to take away 5 apples. So I am going to cut 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us count the number of apples which are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are left, which means 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So our answer is 4. So children, I'm sure you are a little more familiar with reading the time. Keep trying to read the time on your own. Bye children. Take care.